Jamaica's political chessboard is about to flip, and no one saw this move coming. Why did Prime Minister Holness call a by-election that has everyone pointing fingers? And what's the real game behind it all? Hey, patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the heated political drama unfolding in Jamaica, where Prime Minister Andrew Holness has called a surprise by-election, sparking outrage from the opposition. Why is this Northeast St. Ann getting priority while South Trelawney remains in limbo? And what's behind the fierce clash between JLP's Abka Fitzhenley and PMP's Dr. Dayton Campbell? Stay tuned as we unravel the full story. Trust me, it's more than just politics. It's a battle for power, strategy, and the future of Jamaica. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Like we get into it now, let's kick it off. The calm before the storm. Prime Minister Andrew Holness steps up to the podium at Jamaica House. All smiles as he announces a by-election in Northeast St. Ann. It sounds like just another day in the political landscape, right? Wrong. The very next day, the controversy hits like a storm. People are scratching their heads, wondering why this by-election is happening when South Trelawney has been left hanging without representation for almost a year. Holness, cool as ever, insists Northeast St. Ann is not being singled out. It just happens to be first. But is it really that simple? The by-election is set for September 30, and the JLP's candidate, Matthew Samuda, who conveniently resigned from the Senate last week, is all geared up. Meanwhile, the PMP announces it won't even contest the election. What a political drama. But what does all this mean for Holness' real agenda? And how will Mark Golding respond to this surprising move? Enter Mark Golding. Enter the opposition. Mark Golding fires back. Jamaica. On the other side of the political aisle, PMP President Mark Golding is not having it. In a scathing critique, Golding accuses Holness of orchestrating a slap in the face for Southern Trelawney voters who have been waiting a whole year without an MP. Golding is fuming, claiming this move is nothing but political theater designed to distract from the fact that Holness' administration is on the ropes and growing increasingly unpopular. Golding goes on to remind everyone that while Northeast St. Ann gets its by-election within 24 hours of Marsha Smith's resignation, the people of Morant Bay have been left in limbo. And let's not forget the council by-elections due in Clarendon and St. Thomas, which could tilt the balance of power. Golding's message is clear. The JLP is playing politics, and the PMP won't be drawn into the game. But will this be the end of the drama, or is there more to Holness maneuvering than meets the eye? The war of words. Abka Fitzhenley versus Dr. Dayton Campbell. Jamaica, and if you thought that was the end of the fireworks, think again. Enter JLP Senator Abka Fitzhenley, who's clearly been taking notes from Holness. He hits back at the PMP, calling out General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell for what he calls disingenuous criticism of the Northeast St. Ann by-election. According to Fitzhenley, Campbell's accusations that Holness is using state resources for political gain are hypocritical. In a sharp rebuttal, Fitzhenley points to the PMP's own history of calling by-elections close to general elections. This Christopher Columbus-esque discovery of principle espoused by Dr. Campbell is typical of the PMP. He fires. The message: the PMP is backing out of the by-election because they know they don't have the electorate's confidence. Shots fired. With tempers flaring and accusations flying, will this political chess match end in a stalemate? Or is there more strategic maneuvering to come? The plot thickens. The by-election in Northeast St. Ann is shaping up to be more than just a political formality. It's a battleground for Jamaica's future leadership. As the JLP and the PMP spar over timing, resources, and representation, one thing is clear: this is only the beginning of the drama, with local government elections and general elections looming on in the horizon. Jamaica's political landscape is about to heat up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into Jamaica's political drama. Leave your comments down below. Who will come out on top? Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you think. Let's keep the conversation going. Here are some questions that you might have about the Northeast St. Ann by-election controversy, along with answers to address your concerns. Question number 1. Why is the by-election in Northeast St. Ann happening now and not in South Trelawney? Answer: the timing of this by-election has sparked outrage because South Trelawney has been left without representation for nearly a year. Prime Minister Holness claims there is no special treatment, but critics argue it's politically motivated. Question number 2. Is this by-election a waste of taxpayers' money with general elections around the corner? Answer: many, include the PMP, are saying this by-election is unnecessary with a general election so close. However, the JLP insists it's a part of their process and essential for political stability. Question number 3. Why is the PMP refusing to contest the by-election? Answer: the PMP says they don't want to undermine Jamaica's democracy by participating in what they see as a strategical, timed election. They are focusing on the bigger picture, the general elections. Question number 4. What does all this drama means for Jamaica's political future? Answer: this by-election is about more than just one seat. It's a reflection of deeper political strategies and could influence the balance of power as Jamaica heads toward local and general elections. Question number 5. Will these by-elections affect everyday life for Jamaicans? Answer: yes. The outcome could shift the political landscape, potentially affecting everything from economic policies to community development, depending on which party gains more influence. Question number 6. Is the JLP using government resources for political gain? Answer: the PMP's Dr. Dayton Campbell has made this accusation, but the JLP's Abka Fitz-Henley has dismissed it as hypocritical, arguing that by-elections are part of the democratic process and necessary for governance. Question number 7. Should I be concerned about the future of Jamaica's democracy? Answer: many are worried about how these political moves affect transparency and fairness. Both parties are locked in a strategic battle, but ultimately it's the voters who will decide in upcoming elections. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into Jamaica's political drama. Leave your comments down below. Who will come out on top? Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you think. Let's keep the conversation going.